Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the jacket's specific care label and inspecting any delicate trims. If the label allows washing, spot treat stains using a small amount of mild detergent on a cloth. This prevents heavy scrubbing that damages fill. Remove the fur trim and any detachable parts, zip all zippers and fasten Velcro so seams don't snag. Make sure pockets are empty and that you have a front-load washer or basin ready. You're beginning the wash process now to protect insulation and fabric. You'll wash on a cold, gentle cycle because heat and agitation break down clusters and coatings. Add only a small amount of gentle liquid detergent, about 1 capful, or a detergent formulated for down. Powders leave residue. Set the machine to a delicate or hand wash program and reduce spin to minimal or none to avoid compressing insulation. Once the cycle finishes, run at least 1 extra rinse until water is clear to remove detergent residue. You must dry thoroughly. Tumble on low heat with 2-3 clean tennis balls to break up clumps and restore loft. This helps the down refluff. Check periodically and rearrange the jacket so it dries evenly. If still damp after machine time, lay flat to air dry and reshape seams and collar. If clumps appear, stop, rewash, and gently massage the fill with your fingers during rinse to redistribute. Make sure there's no lingering odor. If there is, repeat a cold rinse cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.